First we take glue, colorful clay, ice cream sticks. Start with purple clay and roll the clay with the help of scale. It has to look like this. Then cut it into 5 pieces. And then make some balls of it. Let's stick all of them together. Give them shape of flower. As you can see it guys how it's look like after giving shape. After this take some yellow clay and make ball. Let's roll. Put it into center of the flower. It's time for colorful ice cream sticks. Gonna paste yellow stick in the back of flower for stem with glue. Now it's time to decorate it. I am making some flower. Watch carefully. Now finally it is ready guys.